Running a business is exciting, but managing its accounts, not so much. That's why having a right accountant is important. But how do you find the right accountant? Let's break it down. The first step is checking for licensing and certifications. Here's what to check for. Certified Public Accountant, also known as CPA, which is a must for tax and compliance matters. The next is Enrolled Agent, also known as EA, which is great for tax representation before the IRS. The next thing to check is experience working in your industry, proficiency with accounting tools such as Xero, QuickBooks, Zoho Books, NetSuite, etc. In 2025, you now have three major options to choose from. Do you want a local accountant, an in-house accountant, or a virtual accountant? You should go for a local accountant when you need face-to-face interactions or somebody who knows the state-level laws clearly. You should go for an in-house accountant if you have a large enterprise which has ongoing financial needs that require face-to-face interaction. But if you are a small business or a startup, you should definitely go for a virtual accountant which provide flexibility and on-demand support. At Wishup, we provide pre-vetted and expert virtual accountants who are experienced with US tax laws, payroll management, bookkeeping, giving you the financial support without the overheads of a full-time employee. Now, before you hire a full-time accountant, here are some questions that you need to ask them. Do you have experience of working in businesses of my size and industry? How do you ensure compliance with the IRS and the state tax laws? Which accounting software are you proficient in? How do you handle financial reporting and client communication? One of the most important things when it comes to hiring an accountant is trust. So you need to make sure that you are vetting the accountant well. Check for their Google reviews, LinkedIn recommendations, ask for any testimonials or even references of past clients, and verify their track record in handling audits and filing taxes. Now, before signing a long-term contract with an accountant, make sure you assign them with a small task. You can assign them a tax review or a bookkeeping task to check their proficiency. Through that task, make sure you are evaluating their accuracy, responsiveness, and problem-solving skills. Now, as an entrepreneur, you may not have the time to go through the interview processes, finding the right candidates, and then assigning them the tasks and evaluating their assignments. So, if all of this feels overwhelming to you, Wishup is here for you. If you want a hassle-free way to hire a virtual accountant, then click the link below, get your free consultation, and we will find you the perfect virtual accountant for your business and your industry. Bye. Thanks for watching.